Hi everyone, my name is Deb and I'm here to talk about how before meditation it was very difficult for me to do any task that needed repetition and didn't have an immediate result. And I will also talk about how meditation helped me to transform this particular behavior. So from when I was a child, I remember when I was about 10 years old, I finally got a really good grade on one test or a quiz, and the teacher said, "Oh, good job." So from that moment, I thought, oh, this produced a good result, and because of that, I should always do like that. So basically, I was driven not by my own interest, not by my own passion, but about getting a good result or compliment, recognition. And it was like that for me for a long time. So even into my adult life, I couldn't really do truly what I wanted to, but because, I had this in my mind of like, oh, there has to be a good result all the time. Even there was something I really wanted to do, but it seemed like there wasn't a result immediately, or even something negative happened, I thought, oh, I should just give up on that. I should not continue. I couldn't persevere through those things. Meditation is what allowed me to see my thoughts, recognize what I had from my entire life, and actually be able to clear those away so that then I could change my thought and change my behavior. Now, even I'm working on many things right now, but even if I don't get an immediate result, I know where my heart is, so I can continue with all those tasks. So I'm very grateful for this meditation for allowing me to change my mind so that I can now actually achieve my goals and not be worried about any immediate result. I can have a long-term mindset. Thank you so much.